Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called connections, and once you find it, tap on it. And here find the option called Bluetooth, not Bluetooth, my bad, Wi-Fi. And once you find the Wi-Fi option, tap on it. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, and once it is, scroll down, and here we have the list of saved networks. And on it we have the networks that basically our watch is connected to. They are saved, and if you get nearby them and they have the best reception, the watch automatically will connect to them. And if you want to disconnect from the network, you can simply tap on it right here. It will connect to it, and it will appear right here under the switch, the on and off switch. And once it does, you can tap on it again. It will show you the info of the network, and now we can scroll down and tap on the forget button, which basically will remove the network from our watch, so the watch won't be connected to it again. And it will probably, if you have more networks saved, it will connect to the different one if it can. And you can remove all of them or only one, depending on what you like. And once you're done, of course, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.